Friends, Romans, countrymen. Oh, wait, sorry, that's not why this starts. Anyhow, I'm doing another screen recording for you guys. I'm using QuickTime to actually do this recording, and I have another video called Recording Using QuickTime, which I am going to post to YouTube for you right now. And the reason I'm actually doing this video is I'm actually going to post things to YouTube. I know that's a lot right there, but I'm actually going to show you how to post things to YouTube here. And while I'm doing that, I'm actually going to do some of my own work and post a previous video made to YouTube. And wow, I should just shut up. Wait, I have to talk to the screen recording. Well, anywho, I'm going to start out here. I'm going to go to YouTube. You'll notice my YouTube might look a little different than yours because I have this lovely little extension on Chrome. Let's see if I can find my Chrome extensions here. If I click right up in here, it should do. And that's Screencastify. I don't want that one. By the way, Screencastify works nice for doing screen recordings. I would actually recommend QuickTime because it doesn't have a limit on it. It'll store it locally to your computer. You'll have to post it later and all that. But I would actually recommend QuickTime, QuickTime if you're doing a lot of this, especially. It's not showing all my extensions. There are all my extensions, right there, right up at the top. Hit the right button. You'll see this one right here. This one is ad block, and it will block ads, obviously, and it cleans up your YouTube a lot. So if you don't want to see all the YouTube previews and all that other stuff, especially if you're working with kids, this is awesome. When you actually get to set foot in your classroom again with children in there. I know, it's kind of creepy, but I actually kind of miss the little buggers. Yeah. So, anywho, to actually post stuff to YouTube, go up here to this little camera, top right corner of your YouTube screen. It says create a video and more. Now, if you actually want to go live on YouTube and post things, you can do that. But if you just want to upload a video, you can do that as well. I'm going to click on upload a video. And wow, hey, it pops up this nice little deal here where you can just drag and drop a file, or you can hit select a file. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to drag and drop just for giggles. We're recording using QuickTime. Okay, maybe I'm going to drag and drop. There we go. And there it's starting to upload. You can see the little stream started. Okay, recording using QuickTime. Wow, it even titled it the way I wanted. Exciting. Yeah, you can call it, give it a description. Recording using QuickTime. Recording your iPhone. So if you want to, in that video I did show you how to connect up via QuickTime and record whatever's on your iPhone screen, including your iPhone camera, so you can use that as an external camera. Just another tool for you. After it finishes uploading, you can select a thumbnail. You can actually upload a separate screenshot from this if you want to have a nice title screen, something fancy like that. That's going to upload as your, I shouldn't say title screen, but the thumbnail that's going to show up on YouTube if you want to have something cool. Or if you just want to pick a screenshot from the video itself, it's going to give you some recommendations. It'll auto-generate a few after the video is uploaded. Frankly, I can do that, some of that stuff later. You can go back and change some of the stuff. You can add it to a selected playlist, so you can actually create playlists in YouTube, playlists by class. If you don't want to mess with that, you can just make the title have something to do with your class so the kids can look and find the class and the date and all that stuff to find it that way. Frankly, what I would recommend is just, when we're done, embedding the YouTube video link in Canvas. And that'll help keep everything in one location as well. So if the kids don't have to go out and search YouTube, they can just go to Canvas, and it's all there. That'd be my recommendation. I will say Mr. Rexford's got his kids trained really well to go to YouTube anyway, so for him, hey, that comment doesn't necessarily apply. But just whatever it takes to get this done. Okay, let's scroll down here. It says, audience, is it made for kids? Why, yes, it is. And that'll actually knock out some of the advertisements and various other things. It also helps with the COPA and FERPA and all that, whatever federal stuff. You can set an age restriction. We probably, it's made for kids, so we probably don't want to be able to let anybody watch it. And there's more options. I usually don't mess with that. If you wanted to label it and put subtitles in there, I suppose you could. Another school did their school promo video and had their subtitles in Portuguese. And when you're actually speaking English with the subtitles in Portuguese, it really doesn't make too much sense. It's just kind of weird. But okay, hey, you'll notice that while I've been yapping here, it's 99% processed, so I'm almost done there. Let's peek up here too. It hasn't posted the thumbnails yet. When it's done processing, it should do the thumbnails. Oh, there they are. Hey, I'm going to pick this as a thumbnail because that's groovy. All right. I click next. And video elements. I can add an end screen, add cards, all that. Well, oh, it's got those grayed out right now. I'm not too worried about that anyway. By the way, you can actually edit your stuff using iMovie. If you don't have iMovie downloaded, it is free in the App Store. I think just about all of you guys have admin rights on your computer. If I screwed up and you don't have admin rights, so you could download QuickTime and all that stuff, let me know. I'll get it fixed. I'll meet you at school, whatever we need to do to get it done. But yeah, you should have admin rights. If you've got an Apple ID, you can download the stuff yourself, put it on there, and use iMovie to edit your movies and all that for free. All right, I'll get back to this. I'm gonna hit click next after video elements. Here's a lot of the meat of this video here. You can make the video public, so anybody can search it. Instant Premiere, I'm not familiar with that. I can click on the, I don't really care. You can also create it as unlisted. Now, if you want just your students to be able to see this video, what I would do is I would click unlisted. I've actually done that on quite a few videos. I've got quite a few unlisted videos. And what that means is you have to send the person the actual link to the video for them to be able to find it. It doesn't just show up on YouTube. If they find your channel, they can't just search and find it within your channel. Only people with the link can see the video. So you want the video just for your students. You want to keep more privacy. And actually, almost all my videos, that's what I do. I do them as unlisted. Now, if you want to just be able to see it yourself, you just save it as a private video. And you can also schedule a time to make the video public. So, for example, if I wanted to make this video public for the students come Monday, I could do that. I could schedule it. Right now, I'm just going to make it public for everybody right now because it's going out to all staff. And if you want to share it with somebody from another school because they're in the same boat, hey, go for it. Okay, hit the publish button. Now wait a few moments, and you'll notice it's gives you all this stuff. You can share it. You can embed it. You can get the code to embed it. The Facebook, the Twitter, you actually share it that way. It also gives you a video link. Now here's the trick I'm going to tell you. Take your video link and copy that bad boy. And now I can close this. I'm going to open up a new tab. Oh, and by the way, it actually shows you all your videos in your deal. Some of the videos that I have that are private, you'll notice we've got some drone videos. I shouldn't say private, they're unlisted. There are some that are listed as private and various things like that. But again, a lot of them are listed as unlisted videos because don't really want to share them. Maybe they're just kind of a short clip or whatever. But all that stuff does pop up in your channel after you're done recording. Okay, so anyhow, to get back to where I was, I had copied that URL. You may have noticed that URL was shortened. And when I paste it in here, you'll be able to see it's shortened. Command V to paste. There it is. There's our shortened URL. I hit return. And notice it gives you a longer URL, the full-length URL. This is the one you need to copy and paste into stuff for your kids to be able to see. And I will give you a heads up too. I have a little weird tech problem that I have not figured out yet. For some reason, my own YouTube videos, when I want to play them, a lot of times they don't want to play. I could probably watch this in a couple days or whatever and have no problems. But right away after I post them, for some reason they don't like to play. So I actually have to go to, if you have the same problem, go to File, New Incognito window. If it's even if it's a public or unlisted video, either way it'll work. and you can paste your, it'll pop up a new window. You can paste your URL in there and it'll work. So I'll just do that just for giggles. Okay, maybe it'll work. There it goes. See?
All right. Look.
Okay, I don't need that. Anyhow, the whole reason I had to copy and paste the URL to get the full length URL, our filter has a deal on it where it will not let you use shortened URLs. The reason for that, kids can go out to URL shortener, put in a porn site name or whatever, shorten the URL, and if we had the URL shorteners available to them, then they could share that shortened URL with any of their classmates, whatever, and then all be able to access that porn site via the shortened URL. So it's kind of a way around the filter. That's why we have to block the shortened URLs. So copy the whole thing, copy the full length URL, open a new tab. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to find my Canvas classes. I'm going to go into one of my classes, my sandbox class actually. I'm going to go into my assignments. You'll notice I've got a lot of stuff in there. I've used this to copy a lot of stuff out of Canvas Commons to kind of dig through it. I've got a file and an assignment called garbage. This is one I like to do a lot of experiments with. And look, I've embedded something else in there. Yeah, I have to click on edit. That helps. All right, click on edit. Yeah, I don't know what that was about, but I'll delete it. And I can actually go Command V and put it in there. There's my YouTube link. This link will be replaced by an embedded YouTube video. And I have an assignments group or whatever. You do all your Canvas stuff. There's no submission for this one. By the way, while we're at this, if you want your kids to be able to put in, submit a piece of paper by a screenshot of it or a picture or actual photograph of it, switch to your online setting, submission type online, and just do file uploads. And you could even restrict the file upload types. I wouldn't do that. But what they can do then is your kids can actually take their phone, take a snapshot of that, assignment, and if they have, especially if they have the Canvas app on their phone, they can just shoot that assignment right up to you. If you've handwritten something for math or a science class where you've had to do some charts, graphs, sketches, drawings, whatever, or art class, you can upload that stuff that way. That's just a heads up for you. And you can share that information with your students. You could actually do your own video using the skills you're learning here and share this information with your students. I plan on sharing a little bit of this with the students as well, as far as how to do it using their Chromebook. But you can do this. You can do a little bit of that on your end as well. Okay, assigned a course, all that fun stuff. I hit save. And we'll wait just a few seconds. Hey, there it is, embedded. And by the way, just a little quick Canvas review for you too. If you go down here to settings and click on student view, I'm going to go back to that same assignment. Oh, I don't have assignments viewable. Wow, I'm doing well here. Okay, but anyhow, you'll see the student view. If I had assignments available, I could click on assignments, and then I could see it exactly how the students do. Here, I'll leave student view. I'm going to make assignments viewable by, oops. Oh yeah, I have to go into settings, don't I? I have to go into settings. Come on, load settings. And navigation, the navigation tab. And I have to drag up assignments here to make it viewable for the students. And I can put it wherever I want on my list. I could have it be the second thing from the top. Just, again, quick Canvas review. Now I'm going to go back to student. I'm still in settings. I'll go to student view. And, okay, now we have assignments. And once it loads, we'll be able to hit garbage, use, the assignment I was using, and here's how the students see it. Recording using QuickTime, they'll see that. And submitting a file upload, they can watch their video. When they're ready, after they watch your video and do whatever they need to do, they hit submit assignment, and they can go to file upload. They choose a file, and on their Chromebook, on their Chromebook or their phone or whatever, and upload it. Shazam! They're done. Submit assignment. Oh, I must attach at least one file. Okay, well, whoop-dee-doo. So I'm going to leave student view. Shazam! Now there is a one-time thing you're going to have to do on your YouTube channel. And here's this one still not loading because of that quirk. There is a one-time thing you're going to have to do on your YouTube channel. I'm going to just pick one of my other videos here that I've done to watch. This is the one I made for the student. One of the ones I made for the students. I actually had Amelia use my phone. I'm going to play this video, and it should play today. There, it's playing today. Okay, maybe it's going to play today, but it really doesn't matter because if you're signed into your school account, you're going to have this blue bar show up. It says, in a channel approved for ocnice.org, remove. Okay. No, I don't want to do that. But if my channel is already approved for all the students, and it will show up, they can use it on their Chromebooks. But with the Chromebooks being in restricted mode, we have to, as teachers, approve channels for them. So when you start using your own channel, you may have to actually go through and approve this. So if it has a deal over here that says approve in your channel, please hit approve. You can approve your own channel. That's cool. If you're having problems with this part, the kids can't see it, holler, let me know. I'll help you. I can just go in and click and approve it. No big deal. But we can get that. We can get that going. And this one still isn't loading for me. I know. I got to fix my own tech problems one of these days. But that's kind of the basics. That should get you going, make you dangerous, and then you should be able to get to rolling with this. Now I'm going to go back up here. I'm going to get into QuickTime if I can find. Oh, there's my little button at the top of the screen. Hit the little